Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about Spotify Wrap not showing up fix. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're having trouble with your Spotify Wrap not showing, so here's some tips on to how to fix that. So for you to be able to do that, you'll need to install Spotify first. And once you have that onto your device, you'll just have to click onto this. So usually once you have your Spotify in there and the Spotify Wrap is already available, you should be able to see some small icons here onto the upper part that shows the Spotify Wrap. So if not, there is also another button or this notification you should be able to see in here that the Spotify Wrap is already in. So if you're not seeing that one in there, you'll just have to refresh your Spotify app. So you could also check for an updates onto the App Store for that one. Also, you could go ahead and try to head onto the Spotify Wrap into your local browser. So you'll just need to search in there spotify.com/wrap and you should be able to see the wrap already in there easily. And that's just basically it onto fixing or Spotify Wrap not showing. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto your next video.